Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amanda. Today we are doing the third, I think, NYX Lippie countdown look. It is Vlogmas day 6 and I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas and the NYX Lippie countdown thus far. If this is your first video of mine, welcome to the lovely little fam. Be sure to click the subscribe button down below. We would absolutely love to have you. I started this series like 4 years ago on my channel and you guys seem to really love it. I gained most of my subscribers during that period of time and you guys have all stuck around, and so I'm so thankful. So we are back at it again with this series. This year's advent calendar is the NYX Give Me Superstars advent calendar. These are all of their best-selling products. So I am going to be posting 13 different videos throughout December, every other day of Vlogmas, making a look using the products in this calendar. Yeah. So I already have my face done, as you can see. If you guys want to see the face makeup routine, you can go and check out Vlogmas Day 2 and the NYX Lippie Countdown look number 1 to see how I do all of my face makeup and everything like that. Also catch up with me, see where I've been, some live updates, all that fun stuff. So today we are going to be using a couple different products. And I'm kind of kicking myself because I probably should have done one with the face look, but we'll just put it on top and we'll be fine. We are going to be going in with day 2. She's ready. She came right out. This is the Utopia Soft Pink Pressed Pigment. We're also going to be using day 4, the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. And day 17, we're really hopping out of order here. And this is the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Tiramisu. So typically for all of the other years, I should say, I went in order of all of the days, but this year we're hopping out of order, combining some of the days together, just so I feel like if you guys do get this calendar, you have more like achievable looks and you're able to use some products together. I feel like that's just more realistic. So that is how we're doing it this year. First, you know what? No. First, I have forgot this in every video so far, so we're not forgetting it this time. I keep forgetting to use the eyeshadow primer, so we're gonna do that before anything else. This is day 3, and like I said, this is the HD Studio Photogenic Eyeshadow Base. I will be using this every day going forward if I don't forget to prime my eyelids for the eyeshadow look that we'll be doing. So I'm gonna test that out for you guys as well. So I'm gonna go in and just apply this onto my lids. I'm not sure how much it's gonna take, so just kind of apply it little by little. I'm so bad about using primer, so we will see. Maybe this will change the game, because especially this eyelid, I usually have a really hard time blending out in one spot. So I'm gonna like go pretty heavy over here, because there's usually one spot in this area that just does not want to cooperate at all. Okay. Feels like a pretty good consistency, so just do a little bit more out here just because I did on the other side. Okay. So as you guys can tell, we're gonna be doing kind of a pinky look today. So we do have this pressed pigment, which we're gonna try and use maybe a couple different ways. I did already put on blush, but I am curious to see maybe how it would look as a blush as well as use it in our eyeshadow look. So you guys know typically that I will just try and use like either the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette or the James Charles Morphe palette, just because I feel like a lot of you guys have that, and so it's really easy to kind of follow me when recreating looks. But my favorite pinky palette is this Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Affinity palette. It has the prettiest pinky shades. Their palettes are also really affordable, which is really nice. You can find them at Target and Ulta and maybe a couple other places, but off the top of my head, I know that they sell them there. During the summery months, I was like hooked on this like pinky look using this palette. So I feel like maybe we're gonna start with kind of the base of what I was doing there, but we'll make it a little bit more fun as well and tie in this pigment too. We are gonna start with this palette. I am gonna start with a big fluffy brush. This is my Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush. And we're gonna go into the color Touch right here. This is just kind of like a nudie pink, really light shade. And I'm gonna start by just taking this all over my lid and kind of up onto my brow bone as well. I just really want to kind of start with a light base, and because that primer is a little like sticky, which obviously it's supposed to be, I want to have a shade that will allow me to blend everything out, be a nice transition shade. Yeah. I think I got it in my eye. Something's not right. I can't see. So now that we have a nice kind of pinky base, I think we're gonna go in with this pressed pigment. Like I said, it is Utopia. I think all of the pressed pigments are called Utopia, if I'm not mistaken, because I think a couple of these are called Utopia, but then they're different colors. So I would love to know why I can't see right now, because I can't see anything on my contact, but the vision is not there. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back and I can see again, which is wonderful. I think I got some of the primer maybe on my contact. It was weird just because it was a little delayed there, but I'm just gonna touch up in case some of it rinsed off. Okay, now we're gonna take the pressed pigment, and I'm thinking I'm gonna pat this all over my lid. I'm trying to decide if we wanna do like a fun look or like everyday wearable, you know? Hi guys, I just wanted to hop on here. I'm in the middle of filming one of the NYX videos, and I meant to ask you guys this before, but I'm just gonna ask you now. Would you rather there be more like everyday wearable looks? Even though, like, you know, we have like some pinks and stuff in here, so it might not be like everyday, but you know, more wearable looks. Or do you want some fun looks thrown in there? Let me know what you'd prefer. Specifically for this pink one, we're gonna do a pink look. I wanna know if you want like everyday kind of like softer pink look, or if you want like fun glittery pink. I don't know, let me know. Okay, I just went on my Instagram story. I'm gonna ask you guys what you prefer for this look. So if you're not following me already on Instagram, head on over, follow me at I'm Amanda Louise, and I'm more active, well, I mean, I'm probably more, I don't know, equally active on there and here during Vlogmas, the month of December. But I ask you guys behind the scenes questions, ask for your input on a lot of stuff over there. So be sure to go ahead and follow over there. While I'm waiting for you guys to vote over on Instagram, we're gonna go in with the Born to Glow and just kind of test this puppy out. This is the one that I was like, I probably maybe should have done maybe before I did all my face makeup, but maybe not. Maybe we're fine, because then it wouldn't have shown as well. So this is a liquid illuminator, and I think I'm just gonna use it like a highlighter, kind of in all the little places that I highlight, and maybe inner corner. We'll see, maybe we'll incorporate it into the eye look as well. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger, and I have a feeling this stuff is gonna be really pigmented. Oh yeah. So I'm just kind of going to blend her out on my cheekbone. It's really, really pretty. I'm gonna bring her up. It's really, really pretty. I typically feel like I don't really like liquid highlighters because I feel like they're kind of hard to blend out, but I feel like this one blended out really, really nicely, and it has a really pretty shine to it. Like, you can just tell this is like so much more shiny on this side than this side. So we're gonna do that on the other side too. Kind of just like applying little by little, blending it out, and then going back in and adding a little more And I'm just starting with high on the cheekbone, kind of lifting my face up a little. She's pretty and shiny. Okay. A little bit on the nose. I'm not good at highlighting my nose. Contouring, highlighting. I feel like I never thought I had an abnormal nose shape, but I feel like I don't know how to contour it. After seeing everyone else's, I feel like it doesn't work on me. Don't know. We're just having fun with this. We're just gonna kind of throw it all over the place. And do the Cupid's bow, kind of onto my lips, because we'll go over the lips with the lip color. And I'm gonna take it on the inner corner as well. I'm gonna take a little bit of this on kind of like a fluffy brush, just so I can kind of like dab it in the inner corner a little bit. I wouldn't typically use this brush, but I'm feeling way too lazy to get up and get the one that I really want, so. Will work just fine. She's pretty and shiny. Okay, we like her. I'm definitely pleasantly surprised. I was kind of like, oh, I don't want to use a liquid highlighter. But I like it. She looks cute. Let's see what you guys are saying over on Instagram. Haven't given you much time, but we're gonna see what everyone has said so far. Okay, most of you guys are saying more wearable. Okay, we're gonna do more wearable because no one voted for fun and glittery for pink. So we're doing more wearable. Okay, thank you for voting over there. We're gonna start with the pressed pigment, and I am going to take this and drop it as well on my Sigma Eye Shading E55, and I'm gonna take this and kind of press it on the lid here. Don't pay attention to how my hands look when I use makeup brushes, because I watch these back and I'm like, what are you doing? Just going to really pat it on the lid. This is a really pretty color. I'm gonna go in with that big fluffy brush we used for our transition shade and just kind of blend out any rough edges. This color is a little bit brighter than I expected it to be, honestly, but I like it. I feel like this lighting is like not great right now. I feel like I just look like, it's very harsh. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with, again, not the brush I would typically use, but I'm gonna go in with, this is like a foundation brush. I'm gonna go in, this is like a foundation brush, and I'm gonna take some of the pigment and we're gonna use it a little bit as a blush. Maybe I should have done this before the liquid illuminator, because now I feel like it's probably gonna get stuck there. Okay, she's a little bright, I feel like, maybe for a blush, but it is really pretty, and I kind of like that it's not, I don't know. I guess I don't know what they made these pigments for, just because they, maybe it's because you can kind of use it wherever you want. I don't know. Blends out really nicely, which is good. Like I said, I thought I was gonna have a hard time, especially with the liquid highlighter on there, but blended out nice. I'm definitely a blush girl, so I don't mind being super pinky, but I am very pink right now. So I think that when we finish off the eyes and everything, I think it will be a little more not crazy, like my face is covered in pink. Okay, so I think, like I said, you guys want it pretty natural. We're gonna keep it pretty natural. I'm just gonna go back in with a little bit of the liquid illuminator in the corners of my eyes again and just kind of brighten that up. I kind of think we're gonna leave it at that because that's like super simple. Anyone can do it. I don't know. You guys want soft and natural. So let's put on the lip color. Let's see how the lip color looks and then we'll see if we need to add anything. So we're gonna go in. We're definitely, it's not purple people eaters today, we're pink people eaters today. I love their butter glosses. If you're like new to lip products and you want to try one out, I definitely recommend their butter glosses or their lip oils, which we used in the last look, or no, in day one's look, where I did the face products and caught up with you guys. Those are my two favorite products from them. The butter glosses are a little sticky, but they are just really buttery. They picked the perfect name. So I really like them. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, throw on some mascara and some lashes. Obviously, not everyone wears lashes every day. That kind of takes away the everyday portion of this, but you guys know me, you know how I am. I need my lashes. So I'm just gonna throw on some Essence Lash Princess mascara and throw on the lashes, and I will show you guys the finished look. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. Very pinky, but I feel like I wore this sweater today because I feel like green and pink go really well together. So if you have like a green sweater moment for the holidays and you want like kind of a little bit of a different look to match, I feel like they look cute together. I will zoom in and give you guys a close-up of the finished look. Super simple, super easy to achieve, and using a ton of the products in this calendar if you do happen to purchase. I'll have it linked down below if you do. Alright guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you recreate this look or any of the looks during the NYX Lippie countdown, be sure to tag me in your selfies, even if it's on your story or anything. I would love to see the looks you guys create or recreate with these products. If there are any specific looks maybe you've seen on someone else, seen on Pinterest, whatever it may be, and you want me to try and recreate them during the series, be sure to tag me in them, DM me them, whatever, and I will try and recreate all of them if possible. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and being so excited for this series. Seeing all of your comments have really made filming and going crazy during Vlogmas feel worth it. So thank you so much for all of your support. It truly means so much to me. Until tomorrow's video, stay blessed and don't forget to live lovely.